7. BTS. So we are from the Music and Entertainment Department from Green FM. So huhulaan mo lang yung K-pop group by their emoji. So ready ka na ba?
Yes po.
Alright, let's go. First K-pop group.
80s.
7 kids. 7. BTS. 17. Katsai. Kid. Cat and a cat. Cat kid. Hala, ano yan? The S. S? Stray Kids sa utak ko eh. Ay, wow! Galing! New Jeans. Ice cream. Eye candy. Cone. Hala, wala na ako maisip. Idol. Icon. Okay lang, okay lang. Sige, pili ka. Oh!